Let us now look at data visualization with pandas. This is a simple illustration of how we can use pandas to plot different types of charts. Let's look at how to visualize the line chart using the plot function. We have a dictionary here with the year and price from 2016 to 2022, and we want to visualize these. Here we have the data line is PD data frame dictionary, and on df line.plot year and price we have these, and we can also add 2023, and we say maybe 100. The change will be reflected in the chart. Now we have 2023, we have these 300, similar to 2021. We can also use a bar chart to represent different data entry. Let's work with the our original data frame and check the employee status. This function up to here finds the value status for each employee, and we add the plot function to show that. Let's look at the chart. We have employees 972. We have workers 798. We have self-employed individuals, they are 487, and unemployment persons are 255. Then we can add the plot function. Here we have the chart with employees, workers, self-employed, and unemployed individuals. Note that the chart is for the categorical variable, so we can move and check another categorical variable. We can use maybe payment method. Let's see, payment method. Yeah, we have a chart for this. And most of the payment are from PayPal, then card, and those who use the other undefined method. Note that we can also invert the chart and have a vertical one. In this case, we have the employee status and a vertical chart with unemployed, self-employed, workers, and the inverting is based on this. The type is bar H. For the applied one, we have let's move to this other chart, that is a pie chart. A pie chart is the circular representation of data. This is applicable for a categorical variable, and using the same function, value counts, we are plotting, and kind is equals to pi. On running this, we have the basic segment, the silver segment, gold, missing, and platinum. This is just a basic representation of the data in a pie chart. If you want to represent the data in a more appealing way, more aesthetically appealing way, we use a more sophisticated package called matplotlib. For now, we are just using pandas. Let's look at how to make box plots. Basically, this is the same as before. It's just that we are going to identify that we are using box plot, and the y value is the amount spent. Yeah, the amount spent is from 0 up to almost to 3,000. In the box plot, we can plot the distribution of categorical variable against a numerical variable and compare them. Let's plot this employee status and amount spent columns with pandas. Yeah. Note that we are now importing the matplotlib.py as PLT. Then this is a more complicated box plot that shows comparison between employee status and the amount spent by the individual. And then let us look at a histogram. A histogram is a chart that shows the frequency and distribution grouped by a specific variable. In this case, our variable age, that will be on y-axis. We have the kind of representation is a histogram, and we have 10 bins. and on running this is the chart we are getting. We can change this to 20. Let's see how that changes. Yeah, 20 changes, and we can also make that 5, and we have this. Next, we'll look at KDE, which is similar to histogram but analogous form. Then to plot this, we're going df plot y is equals age, x limits are 0 to 100, then KDE is equals KDE, and run this. We have a similar chart to the histogram above, but now it's in continuous form. Finally, let us look at the scatter plots. Scatter plot is used to observe and show the relationship between two quantitative variables for different categorical items. In this case, on our x-axis, we have age, and on y-axis, we have amount spent. These are the two variables we are trying to compare. Then kind is a scatter plot. Running this, we get this plot. As you can see, there is no specific relationship between the two variables. We'll cover data visualization later using matplotlib package and Seaborn.